Level up your renders with this trick. I'm going to teach you how I made these floating dust particles in my render. First, you're going to have your scene laid out. Then spawn in a cube. Scale it to your scene. Go to Object Properties. Scroll down to Viewport Display. Press on Textured and select Wire. This is so we can see what we're working on inside our scene. With our cube selected, go to Particle Properties and add a particle system. We want to change the emitter to hair. Select Advanced. Under Source, select Faces, then Volume. Now our hair should be growing on the inside of our cube instead of the outside. Now let's add an isosphere. Without pressing anything, go down to Subdivisions, change this from 2 to 1. Now we can move our isosphere to the side, scale it down a little bit. Let's add a material. And for now, let's make the emission white and set the emission strength to 0.5. And this is going to be our dust. Now with our cube selected, let's scroll down to Render, select Path and change it to Object. We're going to select the eyedropper and select our isosphere. Now we've got dust in our scene. It's not quite what we want, so let's tweak it a little bit. Let's reduce the emission number to 500. We'll scroll all the way down to field weight and put gravity to 0. Set the scale to 0.02. Let's go into render mode and see how it looks. Our scene is all dark, and that's because our cube isn't transparent. So let's add a material